All of you mute your microphone. Good morning, all of you. Now all of you open your EVS textbook, page number 92. Page number 92, our new chapter, living safely. Okay. I am fine. How are you? So now new chapter, living safely. We have already completed our previous chapter, means of transport, and we have learned that we use different types of transport to travel and to carry goods. And now chapter number 18, living safely. Okay. Page number 92. So stop, look and listen. Before you cross the street, first use your eyes and ears, and then use your feet. Okay? Stop, look and listen. Before you cross the street or road, first use your eyes and ears, and then use your feet. So first, if we cross the street, first we see bus, where the bus or train or tram or taxi, and then we will cross the road. Okay. So safety is the act of yes, page number 92. Safety is the act of keeping oneself safe from any harm. Safety is the act of keeping oneself safe from any harm. And there are some safety rules that help us to keep safe. And safety rules help us to avoid accidents or any injury, okay, or any hurt. So safety is the act of keeping oneself safe from any harm. So safety is the act of keeping, KEEPING, keeping oneself, ONESELF, oneself safe from any harm. Okay. So safety is the act of keeping oneself safe from any harm. Keeping oneself safe from any harm. From any harm. Okay. So safety means keep away from danger, keep away from accident, okay, is the act of keeping oneself safe from any harm. Next, to do. To do, see in your book, page number 92. Here, this is the picture of a street or a road. Okay, look at the picture given below. It looks like a very busy junction. So many transport. Okay, so many vehicles. This is taxi. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Auto rickshaw, bus. Okay, lorry. So many vehicles are there, and we can see many cars, buses, people also, etc., and circle two places where an accident might happen. Okay, so look at the picture and given below. It looks like a very busy junction, and we can see many cars, buses, people, etc., and circle two places where an accident might happen. So, where are the two places? These places, two car, and here one auto rickshaw and one taxi. Okay. So, one places is two taxi versus taxi. Accidental place, this place is, and one place is auto and taxi. Okay. Okay. Yes. So next we should follow some safety rules in our daily life. Number 1, safety on the road. Which safety rules we should follow? Number 1, always walk on the footpath or zebra crossing, and walk on the left side of the road. So number 1, the safety rules on the road, that is safety rules on the road. Safety rules on the road. Okay. So safety rules on the road. Number 1. Nihan, stop your recording. So number 1, always walk on the footpath. Number 2, always walk on the left side of the road. Cross the road at the zebra crossing only, and do not run across the road. Okay, or do not play on the road. So number 1, that is always walk on the footpath. Okay, always walk on the footpath. Number 2, walk on the left side of the road. Walk on the left side of the road. Number 3, cross the road at the zebra crossing only. Cross the road at the zebra crossing only. And number 3, do not run across the road. Okay, so first one, always walk on the footpath. Always walk on the footpath. Footpath. Number 2, do not run across the road. Do not run across the road Okay, and cross the road at the zebra crossing only. And number 4, walk on the left side of the road. Okay, so next, safety at home. We have already completed that, safety on the road, and next we should follow some safety rules when we stay our home. If we do not follow these safety rules, we can get hurt, or any accident will be happen. Okay, so safety at home. Next is number 2, safety at home. Safety at home. So first one, that is, do not touch the electric board or wires with wet hands. Okay, it can give an electric shock also. So we do not touch the electric board or electric wires with wet hands. Number 2, do not play with blades or scissors. It can hurt you, or any needle. Okay. Number 3, do not touch the iron when switched on, as it is hot. Number 4, do not light a matchstick or go near the gas stove. It can cause fire. Okay, so we should follow some safety rules at our home. Number 1, do not touch the electric board or wires with wet hands. It can give an electric shock. Number 2, do not play with blades or scissors. It can hurt you. Okay, and number 3, do not touch the iron when switched on, as it is hot. And number 4, do not light a matchstick or go near the gas stove. It can cause fire. Okay, so safety at home, that is number 1, do not touch the electric board, electric, or electric wires. Electric. Okay, next number 2, that is, do not touch the iron when switched on. Do not touch the iron when switched on. Okay, and number 3, do not light a matchstick or go near the gas stove, or do not play with blades or scissors. Okay, so number 3, do not play with blades or scissors. SCISSORS. ORS. Okay, so first one, safety rules on the road. Number 1, always walk on the footpath, do not run across the road, and safety at home. Do not touch the electric board or electric wires. Do not touch the iron when switched on, and do not play with blades or scissors. Okay, next, that is safety while swimming. So number 1, do not swim alone. Okay, so number 3, safety while swimming. Number 1, do not swim alone. Number 2, do not go deep into the water. Number 3, do not dive or jump in water. And number 4, use swimming tube to learn swimming. Okay, and next, each year many people die or get injured due to fire. If clothes catch fire, do not run, stop, drop and roll. Okay, so each year many people die or get injured due to fire. If clothes catches fire, then do not run, stop these places and drop and roll. Okay, so safety while swimming, that is first one, safety while swimming, SWIMMING. That is, do not swim alone, do not swim alone. Number 2, dive means jumping, that is called dive. Okay, dive means swim under the water. Okay, that is called dive also. Dive means swim under the water or jump, that is called diving.
Ma'am, side please.
Okay, Nihan, can you understand Purbayan? Okay, so next, safety while swimming, that is, do not swim alone, do not go deep into the water, do not go deep into the water. Okay, and each year many people die or get injured due to fire. And if clothes are anywhere catch fire, do not run, then stop these places and drop and roll. Okay, so from this chapter we have already learned that safety means, safety is the process or is the act of keeping oneself safe from any harm, and there are some safety rules that help us to keep safe. Safety rules help us to avoid any accidents or any injured or any hurt. Next, safety on the road. Number 1. Yes, do not dive or jump on the water. That is the safety rules of while we swimming. Next, safety on the road. That is number 1. Always walk on the footpath. Walk on the left side of the road and cross the road. Cross the road at the zebra crossing only, and do not run across the road. And safety at home, that is, do not touch the electric board or wires with wet hands. Do not play with blades or scissors. Do not touch the iron when the switch is on, and do not light a matchstick or go near the gas stove because it can cause fire. And safety while swimming, that is, do not swim alone, do not go deep into the water, and do not dive or jump into the water, and using swimming tubes to learn swimming. Okay, and each year many people die or get injured due to fire. If clothes catch fire, do not run or stop and drop and roll. Okay, now I have completed up to this portion. Next classes we will start our question answer. Okay, and who are present, response P.